Wee Witches Halloween by Jerry Smath. On Halloween, wee witches hatch from pumpkins in this pumpkin patch. Before their spree, there is one rule. They first must go to scaring school. In class, the older witches teach the younger ones just how to screech. The lesson now is scaring frogs, causing them to fall off logs. Then each witch, with cat and broom, must learn to fly from tomb to tomb. When school is over, the witches are free to scare us all on their Halloween spree. From the air they spot a fair. Perhaps there's someone there to scare. All four scream, "Boo!" But soon they find that no one really seems to mind. Next, the screeching witches raid a passing Halloween parade. They try to frighten ghosts and bats and moms and dads in silly hats. But their screams, it seems, don't turn a head, and the witches win first prize instead. And when they find they cannot scare, it's much too much for them to bear. About to leave in their defeat, they hear the kids shout, "Trick or treat!" So they decide with one last try to scare some kids and make them cry. Now the screaming witchy team regrets that they have been so mean, for when they scream their biggest boo, the kids just laugh and scream boo too. The end.